Hello friends, welcome to Express IS Daily MCQ series. So daily 5 questions will be asked. So let's start the series. First question is brain fingerprinting works by A option checking images of the brain waves are mapped, and C option brain hormones are mapped, D none of the above. So take your time and answer the question. Pause the video and think about it. So the answer is B. In this technique, brain waves are mapped. Brain fingerprinting is a lie detection technique which uses electroencephalography to determine whether specific information is stored in a subject's brain. So recently we have heard the news that in Hathras gang rape case, their culprits and the culprits will be taken to the this brain fingerprinting technique. And in this technique what we are doing is that we are putting some electrodes above the head of a culprit, and then showing him the pictures and related proofs regarding that incident, and then we will see if his brain is triggering some response in brainwave mapping device. So this way we are confirming whether a particular incident is happening in real or not. So this is brain fingerprinting technique. Second question is MSP is not announced for which crop? A sunflower, B safflower, C groundnut, D thoria. So pause the video and take your time. And the answer for this is groundnut. Actually MSP is announced for the groundnut in shell, not the raw groundnut. So these are the 25 crops for which MSP is announced. These are 22 crops which is recommended by CACP and FRP for sugarcane, and other two crops for MSP for thoria and dehusked coconut is fixed by the department on the basis of the MSPs of rapeseed and mustard seed and cobra. So you can read this. These questions are very important regarding from the considering the new pattern of question UPSC is asking in recent years. So the next question is blue tide refers to the option A sunlight reflects bluish wavelength of visible light from the marine water body when tide contains blue foam released from marine oil spill. C option it occurs when phytoplankton produce light through chemical reactions in proteins. D none of the above. So the answer for this is pause the video and answer the correct answer. So answer for this is it occurs C option. It occurs when phytoplankton, commonly known as dinoflagellates, produce light through chemical reactions in proteins. Waves disturb these unicellular microorganisms and make them release blue light. So what is happening is that waves are coming in oceans, and then when they come across these uh, phytoplanktons which emits light through the bioluminescence phenomena, they the it appears as if these waves are showing the blue light. So what is actual reason is these unicellular microorganisms which shows the property of bioluminescence. What is bioluminescence? Is the property of a living organism to produce and emit light. So you can read more about it in Google. Next question is period products bill is passed in which country? So this is a recent current affair based question. Options are Netherlands, New Zealand, Scotland, Sweden. Pause the video and guess the correct answer. Answer is Scotland, C option. So what is it period products bill? So in this they are providing the free period products such as sanitary pads and tampons to the people who need them. So that's why it is known as period products Scotland bill. So this question is very important regarding uh, our from the syllabus part of international relations. So it may come in prelims. Last question is this. This is static question. Consider the following statements. Parliament may by law regulate any matter relating to or connected with the election of a president or a vice president. Second option, all doubts and disputes arising out of the election of a president or vice president shall be inquired into and decided by the Election Commission of India, whose decision shall be final. So Which of the following is incorrect? We have to tell the incorrect option. A only, A, two only, both, or none of these is incorrect. So answer for this is B option. Only B option is incorrect. Why B option is incorrect? Because the matters will not be inquired and decided by Election Commission. It will be decided by the Supreme Court. So this part is wrong. Election Commission of India. And first option is correct. Parliament may by law regulate any matter relating to or connected with the election of a president or a vice president. So this option is correct. Only B option is wrong. So answer is answer B. So that's all for today's MCQs. And thank you.